Hi, good day everyone. This is the continuation of the video that I previously filmed on the part 1 about the sequence. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers called terms. These terms are often arranged in a pattern. Take a look of these examples. So we have 3 examples here: infinite sequence, the finite sequence, and infinite sequence. In these examples, how do we know that these are sequence, particularly arithmetic sequence? In this illustration, a sequence where difference between any two consecutive terms is a constant. This constant is called the common difference, and the said sequence or sequences are called an arithmetic sequence. Look at these examples. The first one, if the interval of numbers between 3 to 7 is 4, 7 to 11 is also 4, 11 to 15 is also 4. So these are the constant term called common difference. Common difference as positive 4. Why do we call it as a positive 4? Because this given sequence is in ascending order. How about this one? Even if it's the first term is a negative, but if you see that the pattern or the sequence is in ascending order, common difference should be positive. Now, take a look on this negative 5 to 1, 1 to 7. Obviously, we have a common difference of 6. On the third example, we observe that these numbers is in descending order. The interval between 2 and 12, 12 and 22, and so on and so forth, descending orders, we need to write as common difference of negative 10. What is the meaning of getting the common difference? Actually, in getting the common difference is you just need to pick numbers here except from the first term. Like for example, if we are going to pick 11, you just subtract it before that term, which is 7. 11 minus 7, we got 4. Even if you pick 19, if you subtract 19 to 15, you always got 4. In this case, pick 7. We are going to subtract before that 7, which is 1. Subtract by 1, we have 6. And also here, common difference, if we pick 32 or negative 32, subtracted to negative 22, we got negative 32. We have signs of minus in a negative, becomes plus 22, and we got negative 10. That's how the common difference defined in an arithmetic sequence. In arithmetic sequence, we need to understand that we have to recognize the first term, the common difference, and the term where the value can be found. In arithmetic sequence, we need to follow the rule or the notation. So ito na yung tinatawag nating formula na kailangan nating gamitin para sa arithmetic sequence. How do we know that the given sequence is an arithmetic sequence? If the sequence has a common difference or the interval, it will always be called as an arithmetic sequence. So what's the rule of the arithmetic sequence? The notation is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 added to the product of the common difference multiplied to n minus 1, where this n is called the nth term. That value can be found if we have an example of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. This value n should not be the value as 12. This should be the value as 4. So the first, second, third, and 4. So this value 12 should be the term that we need to solve. So marami sa atin ang nalilito kung ano ibig sabihin ng n tsaka a sub n. So napakasimple lang po. Kung meron tayong ganitong examples na arithmetic sequence, yung fourth place po, yun ang value ng n, which is 4. Pero yung value ng fourth place, which is 12, yun yung value ng A sub n. Yun ang kailangan nating i-highlight dito. A sub 1 is called the first term. D is called the common difference. Don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Learn Mathematics, and also my Facebook, Trademark Vlog, and in my YouTube account, Trademark TV. Thank you, and see you on my next video.